Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix this skate game error code on PC. So if you are getting this error code 19401611423 matchmaking was cancelled, error code 33086736333 sorry an internal failure has occurred, or error code 42698252243 cannot find a network connection, please check your PC network settings. Error code 852146987 failed to connect to EA services, or connection lost, error code 39672690002, or the error code 14780784008 failed to connect to EA services. So if you are getting all this kind of errors in skate game, then here follow the fixes to solve these kind of error code. First fix is to enable disable Steam overlay. So open Steam, go to library, right click on skate game, select properties, and then if the enable the Steam overlay while in game is turned off, then toggle it on, and then you can launch the game and check. If toggling on Steam overlay does not work, then again go to properties and this time toggle off Steam overlay and then check. If you have the game on EA app, then go to the EA app, go to settings, go to application tab, scroll down. Now if the in-game overlay is turned off, then toggle it on and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then simply toggle it off, click on turn off and then launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to set Steam offline and then online. So open Steam, click on the Steam word on the top left, then click on go offline, then again click on Steam word on the top left, then click on go online, and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to switch launcher. Now if you have the game in Steam, then you can install the game on EA app and then check if your error is fixed or not. And if you have the game in EA app, then you can switch to Steam and then launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to restart your PC. So simply click on Windows icon, then click on power menu and then select restart, and once your computer restart, then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 5 is to reset internet connection. So in Windows search type cmd and open the command prompt as an administrator, hit yes to allow. Now in this command prompt you have to type this code one by one and hit enter. These code are safe to use, so you don't have to worry about it. You can copy and paste this code from my video description. I have given this code in my video description. These codes are just to reset your internet connection, that's all. Now you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset process. So close this command prompt, then click on Windows icon, then click on power menu and select restart option. After your PC restart, then you can launch the game and check. Sixth solution is to change DNS server. So in Windows search type control panel and open it. Click on view network status and tasks. Click on your connected Wi-Fi, click on properties, select internet protocol version 4 and then click on properties. Now here select use the following DNS server address and preferred DNS server type 8.8.8.8 and in alternate DNS server type 8.8.4.4, then click OK and then close it, and then you can launch the game and check. Seventh solution is to verify the game files for Steam user and repair the file for EA users. So if you have the game on Steam, then open Steam, go to library, right click on skate game, select properties, go to install files tab, then click on verify integrity of game files, and after the verification has been done, then you can launch the game and check. If you have the game on EA app, then open EA app, click on skate, then click on manage, and here you will see the repair option. Click on the repair option, and after the repair of the file has been done, you can launch the game and check. Now if none of the solution work for you, then check skate server status. So go to this website, the link is given in the video description, scroll down, check for skate. If you find this skate server is offline, under maintenance or having outage, then in such case you have to wait for skate servers to get back online and then you can launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes you were able to fix this skate error code on your PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.